Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use school links. These digital pathways are central to your academic journey, offering immediate access to vital resources. Understanding their structure helps you navigate course materials, submit assignments, and communicate effectively. This knowledge saves valuable time and significantly enhances your overall learning experience, making your daily academic tasks much smoother. To access key resources, begin by securely logging into your student portal. This central hub typically houses direct links to your learning management system, like Canvas or Moodle, and your personalized class schedules. You will also find links to library databases, research tools, and academic calendars. Bookmark these frequently used pages for quick, efficient access to all your essential academic tools. School links are crucial for connecting with support and communication channels. You can find direct links for emailing professors, academic advisors, and IT support staff. Many portals also offer links to mental health resources, career services, and student activity hubs. These connections ensure you receive the help and community support needed throughout your studies, fostering a well-rounded academic experience. For safe and efficient use, always verify a link's authenticity before clicking, especially for login pages. Use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication if available. Regularly clear your browser's cache and cookies for optimal performance and security. If you encounter any broken or suspicious links, promptly report them to your school's IT department to maintain a secure online environment for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.